Best deals.
1. Pan. The Stay Cool wooden handle provides a secure grip, preventing burns and allowing for safe and comfortable cooking. The triple stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Ideal for spice tempering, boiling milk, and making sauces. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Iron Pan. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Whether searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes and eggs, the 13 cm by 36 cm pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. No harmful chemical coatings, 100% toxin-free and food-safe. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Fry Pan. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Rice Washer Strainer. Crafted from thickened, corrosion-resistant stainless steel that's durable, safe for food contact, and built to last through daily kitchen use. Easily switch between soaking and draining, the flat base lets you soak rice or fruits thoroughly, while the slanted side drainers enable fast, hands-free drainage. Evenly spaced perforations on the side allow quick water flow while keeping rice, grains, and fruits safely inside the bowl, perfect for washing rice before cooking. Smooth, polished surface prevents residue buildup. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Adds essential iron content to your meals, helping to combat iron deficiency. Ideal for health-conscious cooks who want both delicious flavors and essential nutrients. Perfect for deep frying, sautéing, simmering, and more. Suitable for modern recipes, bringing authentic flavor to your kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Scrubber. Rotating head that gives 360-degree cleaning for tiles and bathroom floor. Long and durable handle makes floor scrubbing easy without bending. High-quality scrubber for bathroom floor and tile cleaning. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Electric Chopper. One-touch operation electric chopper for kitchen use for effortless chopping and dicing, helping you save time during meal prep and spend more quality time with your family. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love with our food processor for kitchen. The detachable components of our dishwasher-safe vegetable chopper electric make cleaning the chopper electric for kitchen easy so that you can enjoy your meal time more. This convenient and reliable chopper for kitchen electric reduces the stress of juggling multiple tools like knives and chopping boards, a life-changing vegetable cutter electric. The ultimate more than a vegetable chopper electric for kitchen use that makes a practical and much appreciated gift for busy moms looking to simplify their daily routines. The chopper function simplifies meal preparation, saving your time on chopping veggies or fruits. Enjoy quick, easy cooking without the hassle. Ideal for preparing healthy snacks or meals efficiently, giving you more time to spend with your family. Quick and efficient operation means meals and cleanups are completed faster, freeing up your schedule. Built to last with high-quality materials, ensuring a long life and consistent performance. Designed with safety in mind, featuring built-in safety mechanisms to protect you and your family. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Pressure Cooker. Built with high-performance tri-ply stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution, energy efficiency, and long-lasting durability. No hot spots, just perfect cooking every time. The step design prevents spills, while the built-in cavity under the whistle stores steam for better pressure control and flavor retention. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Jug is resistant to thermal shock, making it safe for use, and the snug-fitting lid ensures that your beverages stay fresh for longer. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Casserole 100% nickel-free thick stainless steel Sooters pan with glass lid, metal utensil safe, oven and dishwasher safe. Cooks evenly as the thick aluminum core distributes heat uniformly. Shatter-resistant tempered glass, seals heat and moisture, allows you to monitor food. Riveted, stay cool, handle with comfortable silicone grip. Mirror polished finish outside and emery finish inside, comfortable handle, easy, secure grip for effortless cooking. Space-saving stacking, smart stackable design protects cookware and saves kitchen space. Ergonomic balance and design, perfect balance between cookware size and grip for comfortable control. Premium finish, mirror polished exterior and emery finished interior for sleek look and easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Glass jars. Airtight seal, ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Versatile kitchen storage, ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Glass core and metallic copper finish steel shell with airtight lid. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. This multifunctional shelf unit is easy to clean and install, providing a safe and durable solution for creating additional storage space in your home. Cabinet shelf organizers are conveniently designed and can be easily assembled without complex tools or expertise. Cabinet shelf organizers are conveniently designed and can be easily assembled without complex tools or expertise. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dustbin. Easily dispose of waste without lifting a lid, perfect for hassle-free use and quick cleaning. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink. Hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food grade, and BPA-free, ensuring safety and durability. Equipped with a built-in handle for easy transport, smooth surface allows for effortless cleaning, perfect for small spaces while providing ample storage. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Bath mat. Non-slip resistant backing can prevent you or your family from slipping and falling after the shower on a wet surface. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Yogurt filter. Equipped with a premium 304 stainless steel mesh, this Greek yogurt maker works as a yogurt filter and strainer, ensuring smooth texture, protein-rich taste, and consistent results every time. Innovative design serves as both a yogurt strainer and yogurt strainer box. With its BPA-free container, it eliminates the need for cloth, giving you hygienic, hassle-free preparation of hung curd and yogurt. This hung curd strainer and dahi strainer for hung curd features clear scale marks for accurate measurement. Perfect for portion control, recipes, and kitchen convenience while preparing fresh yogurt. Made from BPA-free, food-safe plastic, the Sebla Dahi maker is eco-friendly, reusable, and dishwasher safe. A must-have yogurt filter strainer for making healthy dahi, curd, or Greek yogurt daily. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Coconut opener tool. Is made of food-grade stainless steel, not easy to rust and non-toxic. Opens coconuts in seconds so you can easily taste the refreshing water inside. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Portable blender. Portable juicer bottle is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Use the blender bottle to make your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, or fruit juices anywhere, at home, the office, or during your commute. Easily incorporate fruits, veggies, and other wholesome ingredients into your daily routine. Our blenders for smoothies and juices helps you create delicious, nutrient-packed drinks to fuel your day and keep you feeling your best. Unleash your inner mixologist and create personalized beverages to satisfy your taste buds and nutritional needs with our Smoothie Maker blender. Experiment with new recipes and enjoy your own unique creations. No more dreading the cleanup of the shake maker. This portable mixer blender is designed with easy-to-clean components, making your post-blending routine a breeze. Simply rinse, and you're good to go. Perfect for blending milkshakes, nut butter, idli, dosa batter, purees, frappuccinos, ice crush, hummus, and soups. Efficiently crushes ice and blends fruits for smooth and creamy beverages. Easily portable for blending on the go, whether at home, work, or during travel. BPA-free ABS plastic construction ensures safety and durability, making it suitable for daily use. Whip up nutritious drinks quickly with minimal preparation and cleanup time. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Kitchen sink. Built from high-grade 304 stainless steel and enhanced with a honeycomb nano coating, the sink offers exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and a premium modern aesthetic that perfectly complements luxury kitchens. Generously sized at 30 inches x 18, with a deep 10-inch bowl, the sink provides ample capacity for oversized cookware, stock pots, and baking trays, making it ideal for both heavy-duty washing and daily family use. Equipped with a touchscreen digital display and LED control panel, giving you smart water management, mode customization, and stylish illumination, bringing a futuristic edge to your modern kitchen. Comes with an integrated waterfall faucet for wide, elegant water flow and a pull-down faucet for targeted washing, offering ultimate flexibility, ease, and convenience in cleaning tasks. Equipped with a smart faucet system featuring waterfall tap, mist spray, high-pressure dual flow and stream flow, giving you full control for efficient washing and cleaning. Built-in auto cup washer provides 360 degrees deep cleaning with a single press, ensuring water-efficient performance while saving time and effort. Premium nano-coated matte finish resists fading, fingerprints, and stains, maintaining a sleek and modern look for years. Designed as a smart kitchen workstation, allowing you to perform multiple tasks like washing, rinsing, and draining with ease and convenience. Spacious deep bowl accommodates large pots, pans, and dishes without splashing, making it ideal for Indian kitchens. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Mats are made of high-quality EVA material, which is BPA-free and safe to contact with food directly. The fridge liner is a must-have refrigerator accessories for any RV, home or kitchen. You can use it without worrying about any harm. Pad can be cleaned and reused. Just use towel to wipe or rinse it with water, fast to dry. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Coconut scraper. Designed for effortless coconut grating. Premium and durable, built for longevity and everyday kitchen use. Made with polished wooden construction, offering a sturdy and stable foundation for easy grating. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Sprout jars. Make it easy to grow a variety of fresh, healthy sprouts right in your kitchen, ideal for adding nutritious, crunchy greens to soups, salads and sandwiches. This kit makes sprouting not just a health choice but a fun hobby. Plus, it's an affordable way to enhance your health with fresh diet. Sprouting kit is designed to make sprouting at home effortless and enjoyable, including sprout glass jar, self-stand sprouting lid, dark mode cover water draining tray, sprouting guidebook. Our expertly designed stand allows for sufficient airflow and drainage, which are both essential to successful sprouting. Metal mesh screens are small enough to hold a wide variety of seeds, great for sprouting broccoli, alfalfa, radish sprouts, mung beans, soybeans and other seeds of your choice. Sprouting jars made of rust-proof food-grade material. The growing tray is dishwasher-safe plastic. The tray is high enough to collect the drain-out water. Whether you are a sprouting novice or looking to give this as a gift, this kit is perfect. The jars allow for growing multiple sprout varieties simultaneously or continuous harvesting. It's an excellent gift for kids and adults, fostering interest in agriculture, biology, and home gardening. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Storage bag. Waterproof fabric helps protect stored items from dust, moisture and daily storage exposure for better organization. Spacious 120L design helps organize blankets, quilts, saris, lehengas, dresses and seasonal clothes neatly in wardrobes and storage spaces. Foldable structure allows compact storage when not in use, helping save wardrobe and room space efficiently. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Electric Vegetable Chopper. Featuring a 350 ml capacity and sharp 304 stainless steel blades. It's ideal for chopping garlic, vegetables, onions, and nuts, making food preparation easy and quick, even outdoors. Simplify your cooking with the intuitive one-touch operation of this mini food processor. Just a simple press and the powerful 30W motor delivers precise chopping in seconds, saving your time and effort. Features an auto-off function that stops the blades immediately when the lid is opened. This safety feature ensures a worry-free and secure operation every time. Its detachable design allows for quick and easy cleaning, letting you focus more on cooking and less on cleanup. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Coffee Maker. 600 megaliters brewer, perfect for 4 big cups of coffee for home, family and friends. The quick brew basket is easier to access from the front than a top-load basket. It swivels out quickly and the basket holder is minimally designed for easier to use. After brewing, non-stick warming plate holds coffee warm for 2 hours, then auto shuts off for boil dry protection, anti-drip function, detachable filter, brew basket and coffee pot are dishwasher safe. Grab a cup, auto pause ensures no more messy spills on your counters. Made of stainless steel with BPA-free jar and anti-slip feet, safe and easy to use. Product link is given in the 24th link.